into the monomers and pick up milky whites, about mediums, small to mediums, and it's also it depends on the length of the nail. So if it could be like kind of a large bead if you are doing short nails. For the long nails, this is it's considered as like a kind of is small and medium beads. And then if you're seeing that the powders is kind of setting it right now, so only I need to do is using the belly of the bristle and guide it right in the centers of the nails. So then that way when you are finished with the application, is not going to be really bulky. And I'll just remove it a little bit of the excess powders underneath of the nails. Look like I'm doing a lot with the nail, but actually it's not. Just really a gentle guided, and especially you are going to blend in this part to make it like really nice and kind of a flat right on the connection of the milky white and light nude. So then that way it will help so much better when you are doing it ombre. So I am go ahead and pick another beads, which is the second, this is the first beads we did already using a milky white, and I'm go ahead and pick the second bead, which is this one is a light nude, number 19. And just using the belly of the bristle before I pick up more monomer, I always make sure I clean the bristle completely. And now we are going to using the belly of the bristle and blend it. And really gentle guide it down, and also from the outners like have an outside toward to the center. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick a second beads. So especially for a lot of beginner, you can definitely use this technique. This will definitely help so much with the ombre technique. The first bead of the pink part, which is the light nude, you are going to able to perfect your ombre part first, and then the second bead you can able to like perfect in the cuticle area, which is I'm working on the second beads right now, and I'm just place it closer to the cuticles and then tuck it in without getting all over the cuticles. So you're gonna get like just place just a hair away from the cuticles and then blend it. If you're seeing it looks on the size, you can see that I keep my bristle parallel flat with the nails instead of you using the tips and do it 45-degree angle. So you're gonna go ahead and do it like flat, so then that way is going to blend your ombres nicely and more consistency for you. Just little fur here, I'm not sure you can see it, but it just get in. So now to cap and protect the ombre, I'm gonna using the crystal clear. You see that how much I'm going to that crystal clear. It's really crystal clear. Pick up the small to mediums beads and place it closer to the cuticle, just a hair away. And then just tilt the nails down, let the gravity do all the work for you. And then using the belly of the bristle and guide the crystal clear toward, you can see that my motion is like toward to the center, the middle of the nails. Okay. This way is not only to build really nice structure of the nails, also it helps so much later when you are going to shaping and doing, you know, some of the final step to finish the beautiful set of nails. And it saves time from shaping and filing so much. Great. I am go ahead and let it set on the air dry.